Assalamu alaikum. This is Asif Iqbal. My ID is 17351881. Today, this is our group presentation, and here is my group mate.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Rabbi Islam, ID 1867.
Then now, our presentation today our presentation on test coverage. The question is, what is test coverage? The definition of test coverage is test coverage measures the amount of testing performed by a set of tests. Wherever we can count things and can tell whether or not each of those things has been tested by some test, then we can measure coverage and is known is as test coverage. So this is the definition of test coverage. Then the question is, what test coverage does. Test coverage does some important things in software testing. Finding of a requirement not implemented by a set of test cases. The second point is helps to create additional test cases to increase coverage. The third point is identifying a quantitative measure of test coverage, which is an indirect method for quality check. The fourth point is identifying meaningless test cases that do not increase its coverage. So these are the point. These are the point what test coverage does. And the next part is benefit. There are some benefit of test coverage. So this is the next part of our presentation. The pointer, it can assure the quality of test. It can help to determine the paths in your application that were not tested. The third point is prevent defect leakage. The fourth point is time, scope, and cost can be kept under control. The last point is prevention at an early stage of project life cycle. So these are the topic of my part. The next part will discuss my group mate.
Thank you, Asif Iqbal. Uh, my part is types of test coverage. Test coverage. So test coverage, some types of test coverage, statement coverage, branch coverage, and condition coverage, and last of all, path coverage. Now I explain statement coverage. Statement coverage definition is statement coverage is a white box test design technique which involves execution of the executable statement in the source code at least once. So it is used to calculate and measure the number of statements in the source code which can be executed given the requirements. And next is branch coverage. So branch coverage definition is branch coverage testing is a methodical type of testing which requires that all program branches or conditional states be tested at least once during a test process. Then third is condition coverage. Condition coverage definition is condition coverage is also known as predicate coverage, in which is one of the Boolean expression have been executable to both true and false. Then last of all, path coverage. Path coverage definition is path coverage testing is a specific kind of methodical testing in which is in individual line of code is assessed. Then I think this is last coverage, and thank you of my partner Asif Iqbal, and last of all thanks uh, who is uh, who is watching my video, our video presentation. Uh,
So in our presentation, PPTX file, there are some example of those coverage. So thank you.